Now, I don't know about you, but self-care has been very much high on my list of priorities, especially with everything that's been going on at this time. So when I got the opportunity to try out an at-home self-spa kit, I could not refuse. Hey guys, it's your girl Chanel aka Nelly B, and today I want to talk skincare with you. I received a package from a brand called Genesis Allure, and it is their at-home self-spa kit. Now, with living here in Trinidad, we have extremely hot days, and then lately we've been having quite a few bouts of Sahara dust. These things can affect your skin in addition to any other issues that your skin may generally have. Like for me, my issues with my combination skin, hormonal acne, and then some. So when I was offered the opportunity to try out a kit that could help not only like push dead skin cells off of my face, as well as release all the tension that may be pent up in my facial muscles, I was like, why not? So this is the Genesis Allure at-home self-spa kit. And what it is really is that it is tools. Or is it tools? Are they tools? Two tools that are all about taking care of your face and your neck area. The first tool is the Gen Cleanse. So let's talk a little bit about the Gen Cleanse. That is what it looks like, and it vibrates. I'm gonna see if I can put this near my mic so you can hear the vibration. It vibrates, and you're literally going to be passing it along your skin to gently help to lift off any old dead skin cells. What is pretty cool about this is that it is rechargeable, so you don't need any batteries. It comes with its own cable. You just plug it in, let it charge, and then you're good to go. The second tool is the Gen Aurum, or this is like the face massager. This one is battery operated. It just takes one AA battery, and it also vibrates. Let's see if you could hear that vibration. And you use this part of it to massage along your face. This comes with a very cute velvet carrying case or carrying bag, and this is also waterproof. In addition to the tools and the accessories, you also get these two cards. This one helps to show you the way that you can maximize using the Gen Cleanse, and then this one gives instructions on how you use the Gen Aurum. On their website, they also give a full breakdown as to how you go about using the kit. So, and yes, I'm reading it because I want to be very concise or precise. So, the first step that they say is to start by looking into the mirror and acknowledging you're already beautiful. They say, trust us, it's part of the process. So, darlings, self-affirmation, you are beautiful. So that's step one. Apply a cleanser of your choice all around your face and even your neck. Now take the Gen Cleanse out, which would be this one. Turn it on and scoop all of the cleanser around your face and neck by using the tip of the Gen Cleanse. So what I believe I would be doing is, after I put my face wash on and I put this on, I'm going to be going basically scraping, not scraping as in hurting, but passing it along my face and my neck to lift off whatever face wash I'm going to be using. At this point, the Gen Cleanse is removing all the dead skin and gunk on the surface of your skin. You should be able to see a yellowish goo at the tip of your Gen Cleanse. This means your pores have been deeply cleaned. Yellowish goo. Ew. But okay. And this was done using high frequency vibrations. Then they go on to say that we are not done yet. And that's where I'm going to pull out these two products, which are not part of the package, but they recommend that persons use it or buy it in addition to the spa kit in order to maximize use of the tools. So the first one that they mentioned is, now we need to apply the Gen C serum, which is this, which will be able to penetrate deeper into the skin since dead skin and gunk has been fully exfoliated. Some of the ingredients in the Gen C serum are water, organic green tea, aloe leaf extract, rosemary, as well as I'm seeing sage and witch hazel. So after you use the serum, you're going to go in with their night rejuvenation cream around your face and your neck. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the Gen Aurum and you're going to massage your face. They say, now take out our Gen Aurum and don't worry, it's waterproof. Massage the face and neck area where you applied the night cream and then go to sleep. When you wake up, you might see improvements already starting to happen. I'm going to be using it for 7 nights straight. So in terms of expectations, I generally don't go into trying out tools or products for my hair, for my skin with high expectations. I just go against the claims that the company states or issues, and then I just evaluate how effective the product is based on those claims. So if they're saying that I could see results possibly the next day, then we'll see if I see results the next day. I'm probably going to chronicle how things are going on my Instagram stories. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you do, and I will give you guys, if anything, a night by night update as to my experiences with it just fun. And I'm going to come back in a week to see if there is any difference at all in how my skin looks and how my skin feels. And that is it, guys. Wish me luck in this whole skincare endeavor. I'm really excited to use it. I have, like I said, I've turned them on. I've tampered with them ever so slightly, but I'm now about to really give them a proper try, and I am excited just to see what will happen. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.